Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essential access. Make sure the phone has at least half battery and an internet connection, and that you know the Google account tied to the device. Once that's confirmed, decide which path to take. If you remember your existing PIN, change it inside Settings. If you don't, prepare to use Google Find My Device or a recovery reset. Start immediately by unlocking the phone or booting to the lock screen and opening Settings, Security, or Biometrics to change the screen lock. If you remember the current PIN, go to Settings, select Security or Biometrics, pick Screen Lock, enter the current PIN, then choose a new PIN and confirm it. This updates the keyguard immediately. If you forgot the PIN, sign into Google Find My Device on another device, select Lock, set a temporary PIN, then use it to unlock and change the PIN. If account recovery is impossible, boot to recovery mode and perform a factory reset as last resort, knowing it erases Once you've set a new PIN, immediately sign into your Google account on the device, re-enable biometrics and verify that app and account sync work. This ensures you won't lose access again. Make sure to store the new PIN in a secure password manager. If something goes wrong, try clearing cache in recovery, retesting Find My Device from another browser, or contact the device maker for remote unlock options before choosing a factory reset, because that permanently deletes photos and app data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.